Welcome to this tutorial on adding a child page or subpage in WordPress. In this guide, you will learn how to create a hierarchical structure for your website by easily placing one page under another. We will begin by familiarizing ourselves with the WordPress interface and progress step by step until the process is complete. Start by navigating to the WordPress website. When you arrive at the main landing page, take a moment to become comfortable with the layout and design of the site. Next, locate the login option, which is typically found at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this login option will open up the authentication portal that allows you to access the website's administrative features. Once you have clicked on login, you will be presented with the option to continue using your preferred account. In this case, you should choose the option labeled Continue with Google. After selecting this option, you will need to choose the appropriate Google account. This step is designed to facilitate quick and secure authentication, ensuring that you can proceed without the need for manually entering your credentials. After signing in, you will be redirected to the WordPress dashboard, where many functionality options are neatly organized. At this point, direct your attention to the Quick Links section. In this area, look for the Edit Site option and click on it. The Edit Site area is a powerful part of the WordPress interface that allows you to customize various elements of your website, including pages, menus, and design components. With the site editor open, your next objective is to manage the navigation menu that appears on your website's header. If you observe the header area, you should see a menu that directs visitors to different parts of your website. Click on this navigation menu area. This action will open additional settings and options related to menu management. Making changes here can help improve your website's usability and ensure that content is organized logically for your visitors. After selecting the navigation menu, focus on the settings panel located on the right side of the screen. This panel contains many of the options necessary for editing the layout and the structure of your site. Take notice of the available settings as they provide context for the adjustments you are about to make. Understanding each option here can greatly enhance your ability to customize the appearance of your site according to your specific requirements. Now that you have familiarized yourself with both the navigation menu and the settings panel, the final step involves adjusting the page hierarchy to create a sub-page structure. To do this, select the appropriate page you wish to demote and then drag it downward so that it nests under another page. This action establishes a clear parent-child relationship between the pages, ensuring that your website navigation accurately reflects your site structure. Through this simple drag and drop approach, WordPress automatically recognizes the new relationship, and the selected page becomes a child page under its parent. By following these steps, you have successfully learned how to create a child page or subpage in WordPress. This streamlined process not only improves the navigation and organization of your website, but also enhances the overall user experience. Enjoy refining the structure of your content with these practical and efficient instructions.